we spun out. On the way to Monterey Car Week, there's gonna be a bunch of cars over here. A bunch of high-end exotic cars. If you guys like exotic cars, you guys are gonna like this. Woo. Damn. We made it to Monterey. Smell like seaweed in the air. 100%. Oh yeah, his shit sound clean. Carbon fiber, diffuser, everything. Damn, this shit's clean. That blue is crazy. Sheesh. That 600, man. That shit looks so clean. DeLorean, look at this shit. Damn. Aventador. Look at this shit. That lime green too. This shit's clean. OSVJ right here. Oh yeah, this guy drives this car. Bro, you see this?
Yeah, it's kind of different. It's like a snake skin, like, but it's like a...
No, bro, it's bedazzled.
Oh, what?
Bro, look at this.
They glued that shit on the whole...
Bro, it's bedazzled.
It's a little thing, though.
No,
It comes up.
from Hobby Lobby.
4GT, titanium exhaust too. This shit's crazy. Look at this Bugatti. Damn. This shit is insane. Wow. Look at the spec on this shit. Bro. Insane. Bugatti Chiron in this spec. This is legendary right here. Exposed carbon. Look at this shit. Damn. What the?
Oh, it's heat parting, bro.
Love the channel, bro. P1 coming through.
Come up on camera, bro.
Love the channel.
Wing up.
We got DDE, Carrera GT. First time seeing the green on the day on the Carrera GT. It's pretty fire, I ain't gonna lie. Their SVJ, looking pretty clean. This orange is super vibrant. Gosh, look at this. This is probably the cleanest 720 I've seen. Exposed carbon blue. Yeah, that's probably one of the cleanest 720s I've seen. Turbo S, looking crazy with those chrome wheels. Got GG's car right here. GG's. Look at the cars that are out here, man. Like I said, you don't want to miss these kind of events. Look at this shit. There's a good probably 100,000 people out here, easily. Very congested. SV. Got a Homer Simpson 600. Homer Simpson 600 LT. Looking pretty good. There's so many freaking people here, it's crazy. What? This is real?
Bro, get a picture in the back.
Wow. Look at this Cullinan. That shit's crazy. We found the gems. Koenigsegg. Jesco, look at this shit. Look at the crowd around it. Wow. Doesn't get any better than this. My boy High Card's here. Manual too. Shout out to High Card, man. Legendary dude right here. Ferrari wide body. Wide body, Aventador.
The next day.
You got a blue carbon, green carbon, red carbon, blue carbon, then like a silver carbon down there at the end. Oh shit, that's Horatio right there, Horatio Pagani. All the lambs right here. Mercy, Aventador, Huracan, Urus. Then you got a... Damn. That shit sounds like an F1 car. Bugatti over there. Then you got a Zonda R right here. A Hawaii R, another Zonda R. We spun out. We spun out. Ooh, don't do no collision. Spun out pretty bad. The Zonda, whatever model this one is smoking. Oh shit, that shit's smoking pretty bad too. It was on fire, bro. It was on fire. The Pagani was on fire. Another great day in Monterey. Definitely stay tuned. More content to coming. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Hit a thumbs up on this video if you guys like this kind of content, man. I got a lot of great content coming. Definitely stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. More to come. Definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace.